Pneumatic lab. Here pneumatics means is a branch of fluid power systems where we are working the pneumatic in the under the compressed air. As these have a wide applications under locomotive trains and as a food processing unit.
Instrument which is used to magnify images of very small and minute and micro components which cannot be measured with our normal measuring instruments. So,
welding. Look at the things around us. It is made out of welding process. To cater the need of this welding training, FTA welding training system, we have robot MIG-MAG welding facility and the CNC plasma profile cutting system. The CNC profile cutting cell is having a ESOP air plasma cutting system with a portable controller. Testing facility, we have a non-destructive testing lab. In non-destructive testing lab, we have dimensional measuring gauges to check the weld size and other profiles.
This is hydraulic lab wherein we are conducting tailor-made courses, short-term courses and also for CITs batches. We conduct hydraulic and electro-hydraulic courses for 1 week duration each. Apart from this, we conduct regularly tailor-made courses for ONGC, Oil India, IAGRIVA, ETS and many other organizations as per their requirement for 1 week and also for 2 weeks.
A fixture like this. Put here. When we keep this here, I'll keep 2 washers. I'm using only my own hand tools. You can count yourself how much time it is.
Welcome to Electrical Lab. So in this lab we conduct 3 short-term courses. We have got a wonderful facilities in this lab to train the fresh engineers as well as the people who are deputed from the organizations who are having the experience. So our facilities like the electrical generator, motors, their controls are also mainly the troubleshooting and the maintenance aspects are taught in the electric motors and controls course. So it is all basically hands-on training. So it is, we can say 30 to 40% of theoretical inputs and remaining it is all full of hands-on practice. So all industries will have these circuit breakers and relays. So here in this lab we have all types of relays which are used in the industries like over voltage relay, under voltage relay, over current relay, frequency relay, differential relay, negative sequence relay, etc.
CNC section, we are conducting two types of short-term courses, which we are conducting the training program both theoretical and practical. See, the first part of the programming is called as Introduction to the CNC machine, their constructional features, and the different type of IS codes like G codes and M codes you are using for the programming, and like a technological information for like cutting condition for the different materials, selection of the cutting speed, feed, etc. In the second part, so we are programming and simulation. Simulation in the sense, see, once you have prepared the manuscript of the program, we don't know whether it is right or wrong, and we know that whether the toolpath is right or wrong, whether correct